Okay, now it is.
A smaller
It's blinking.
hole and go into
That means it's
hanging rock hole,
Okay.
which is that way.
Okay.
But
We'll do some climbing next.
it's kind of tricky. Either way, yeah. I don't know if you've done that before, but
I have no idea. That doesn't sound familiar, but we'll try it.
yeah,
All right.
yeah. You guys
Who's
can do that. 'Cause
Luke
you've done this before.
Do what?
Where's your?
My buddy one and buddy Chris Jackson.
He's making sure.
Jackson,
He's making
over
sure
there.
all the other ones come. He's making sure all the
Alright.
other ones get through this way. Troy, you have to move to because everybody. That's the
I'm
only
not
way
going to
in
take
this
these
way.
guys up there.
That's fine.
Can I go up there?
No, no.
Up where? That way?
Not yet.
Up where?
Which one's that one?
Jacob. Oh, it's so hot in here. I know. Well, everybody's taking like 9 years to climb up. We're gonna die. Where's Jacob? He's with Luke and right now. I see a light over there. I just saw a light. It took me. I came up.
Yeah, you got to use that crack.
Yeah, you did come
Try
up.
to stay into the crack. Because if you slip when you're out further,
Yeah, this
away
was
from it,
actually
you'll
pretty
go all the
easy.
way
It
down.
was kind of fun. I do want to do some vertical climbing.
Yeah.
Are you going to
Well,
go back with them?
I want to stick to like
Okay.
that kind of size hole. I don't want to do like.
Oh, it'll get smaller.
I'll do
I'm not doing the keyhole. I know that.
It's easy.
That is,
I'm not.
You just spin through it.
I want vertical climbing. I'm probably gonna do the keyhole. I don't get claustrophobic.
We're probably like
I'm gonna take
300
that.
feet away from the.
Allen.
You're gonna what?
Bring it down.
Wait, can we go down?
Allen.
You're gonna Allen?
Yeah.
Can I take the when we get to the keyhole? Can I take off the GoPro?
We'll see.
Who is
We'll
that?
see.
That's probably Jackson or something.
No. But,
Who are you? Hi Jacob. Jacob is Luke M coming?
eventually.
He's working on
Can
it.
you stay back there with him?
Seriously. We're gonna be here for 20 minutes though.
That's it.
Hi.
I think we've been here for 20 minutes.
I'd say 30 minutes.
Come on, Jackson.
Can we
Hurry
go
up.
down
Wait,
that way?
Come on.
We will be going down that way.
Can I go first, Charlie?
Let's just hold up. Hold up. You got to stay together, and I want to make sure I got everybody behind
We
me.
have to wait for Luke M.
Jacob.
We don't leave without anybody else.
I know, we're waiting for Luke M.
Go get. Wait.
So hot.
Wait for. Go over there and wait for Luke.
He's not gonna know where to come.
Yeah.
So for all you guys who thought I was crazy, you see what I mean now? It's actually warm in the cave compared to outside.
Yeah.
I didn't think you were
Sweaty.
Jacob, go.
hot right now.
Your warning sheet says like warning of hypothermia.
Well,
Which is in summer, I get it, but
yeah, well, like if you sweat and then you sit for a long time, you'll get cold. And I've done that too on the rock, and the rock just sucks all the heat right out of your body.
my light?
I
I've
can
done
see
that.
that. Yeah.
And it's pretty much,
bad.
Yeah, it's fine.
we're dry. We are so dry. It's not funny. But if it was really muddy, yeah, hypothermia.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, water could also do it.
So if you just sit on a rock, it'll take the heat out of you.
Yep.
Okay,
I'm
good.
feeling like
'Cause I'm
a lot
very hot
less
right now.
I'm sweating.
So here's
My head is so hot.
here's a quick physics lesson for you. If you sit on the rock and the rock feels kind of cool, the reason it feels cool is because it's pulling the heat out of your body. It's not transferring cold into you. You're transferring your heat into the rock. That's why you're starting to feel cold.
Is that the same thing with my pillow when I turn it to the other side?
Yes.
Yep, exactly. Yeah, it has, when you flip it over into the cold side, it has a lot more capacity to pull your heat out of you. So it sucks your heat out of that side of your face.
That's why. Because every night I make.
Are we gonna sleep in this cave at this point?
Sam. Or you just like lay on a certain area.
Are we gonna sleep in the cave at this point? Like,
We're gonna be in here for like another. How long have we been
We'll be
in?
here a while. We got in about 1 o'clock,
And what time is it now?
and it's almost 2.
Okay, so we have like 3 hours left, if not more.
how long can we go? It's 1:58 right now, so it's almost here.
So Alan gives us a couple of hours in here, and then we get to tie him up, and then we get to continue exploring while he tries to get himself untied and chases us out.
Yeah,
That's our plan.
yeah,
So you're agreeing to that?
yeah.
Let's make sure we get his feet still.
No, because we
No.
put him in a pit head first.
Let's just have him guide us, cause he's not gonna chase us out.
No, that's a walkthrough, dude. No, Luke's here.
He's not gonna chase us out. We'll just miss
All
dinner.
through, okay? It's a pretty
Climbing
big
for
call.
dinner. That sounds like
Especially it's a really big climb.
And
go
then
down,
the
start
first one
heading
up
down if
there,
you
I'll
want.
be the most tender, so then you eat them.
Just stay with your buddies. Don't go very far.
By the way, Al, for the second year in a row, I got a main light that went dim quickly on me. Oh, you're kidding. Oh, no.
Wait, light your newborn son.
Come on.
So I was in trouble.
Oh.
Where are we gonna go?
Do you want me to change the batteries?
Either down there.
No.
We have
We're not fitting. We're not fitting.
Yeah, we will.
I think we go up.
We'll either go down there or go over there.
Do you even like her that much? Like,
Not anymore.
We don't go all the way up there. We
she looks like a hairless cat.
who does?
Wait, I like her personality. No, Charlie, we're not going down there.
Why not?
There's no, it's dead end, and you can't turn.
That's
I'm looking down. I'm not.
Because she has like cute face.
Use a GoPro.
It's really it, and because she's taller than me and with that
Is this a block of clay?
Look, Em, you're gonna have to move. You can't just stop.
Throw it in your gay.
Let me see them. I'm gonna try throwing it.
Usually it will stick.
What?
It usually sticks when you're getting.
It's not gonna take forever.
Okay, like now.
Dude, we're not even gonna get that deep.
I got it.
I bet I could
It takes
pull
them
that really
like
fast.
10 minutes
I bet you
just
could.
to do
I
anything.
think she hates me though. Now that
Jacob,
Congo
you can wait. I'm
Yeah,
next.
ruined it.
Bad boy.
You next.
Because I'm gonna be.
You
Well, you've never been here.
I don't care.
Just his.
I'm
Well, I mean,
first.
it's his
I'm
fault.
next.
It's all
I have the
straight back to
GoPro.
him. I had nothing to do with it.
I need to record.
Alan, which way?
My gloves are.
Does anyone have some water?
No, Luke, Adam, no.
go first. Huh?
He has the GoPro, that's why.
Yo, Owen could probably fit through this. Not gonna lie.
Definitely. I want to.
He can
I
go.
don't care.
He can go like.
You actually
He could T-pose and fit through.
You make sure.
He's gonna be like.
Bro is so
No, if we just put him horizontally, like his head's here, his feet are here, he fit.
No, just show me. It's like shoving something in. It's like shoving the last piece into the trash. Just shove it in.
Alan,
The last puzzle.
guys, stop. Let me talk, please. Alan,
He's working on something.
Yeah.
So I'm doing it now.
which way do we go next?
I just fucking killed you.
Stay still. I'm just looking.
No, you're not. Stop being a bad boy, Jacob.
I'm just looking.
You're being a bad boy.
This is your bed.
Luke, and please stop.
Oh wait.
How'd you get didn't want to be in this kind of space. You didn't have to come.
My back break.
Jacob, get back.
Just looking.
Son to wonder.
Wait a minute. I forget what Natalie looks like. And
Me too.
Bro, what does Natalie
Can
look
you
like?
be quiet?
I don't know.
Nice, flat, big.
Now, all
Can
I'm
you shut
picturing
up,
is
Luke?
a goblin right now. Like,
I mean, you
looks the same as like one of those goblins from Clash of Clans or something.
Clash Royale.
Like, yeah, that's literally all I can picture because of her.
I know where we're going next.
Yeah, we don't know either.
No, I said I know.
Guys, stop. Guys,
That
just.
was her, like,
I know it looks like a goblin from Clash of Clans
it did.
or Clash
I
Royale.
know. Connor, I know where we're
Honestly,
going next.
I keep picturing that.
I just want to do like a vertical
Hey,
climb.
yo.
Sorry, I'll
Not
find a
your
vertical
mama.
climbs.
Stop trying to.
No. There are none really.
What?
There's like one.
Puppies!
Kind of missed the air. That spot.
Daddy, that hurts!
Stop. Another beer. Stop. You're already putting enough dust in the air. Please stop. Hello.
That's not good.
Like me.
There's so much dirt in here, probably. This isn't fully closed. Here, and this is where it ends.
My crotch is here. My crotch is here.
Guys,
Let the window.
guys, stop.
Please stop.
I'm recording.
He's recording.
I'm recording.
They won't know my face.
See if you record this voice.
Oh, it never is.
Stop.
Luke, stop.
7 is not funny.
Rock climbing is like ballet.
Where did Jacob go?
I'm up here.
Alan.
He's climbing into a hole.
Nothing crazy.
No, I'm going I'm
Where are
going
we
the direction
going?
we're going.
Can we
No,
hurry up?
we're going that
No,
way.
we can't.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
How'd you know? Last year we went that
No,
way.
Charlie's blocking the way. For us to move.
This is the way we went last year.
Whoa.
No.
Okay,
Yeah,
guys,
this is actually kind of comfortable.
Look,
Guys.
shush.
listen to me.
Yeah.
Okay. If you go through there, go up that little incline.
The one with the rocks?
and towards the top, there is a hole on the right-hand side that you can go through.
Is that, wait, with the rocks or the smooth one?
Which one are you, he's asking, are we going straight back or are we going up here to the left?
Going up the left.
Up the left of the smooth rock.
Okay, go.
Yeah.
Told ya.
And then there's a hole on the right that's a scoop tree.
Jacob, I go
You guys
first.
be careful, there's a hole right there. How thin is the hole?
No, I'm recording. I'm doing something. I'm doing something productive. Whoa.
Oh, head for Charlie, please go.
What was that? Charlie.
Oh, Charlie, watch out.
I just did a roll and it was.
The helmet is kind of like a lightsaber, but also is kind of like...
Yo, wait.
Is this yours?
No. Yeah, this is this place.
Wait, go down.
Yo, wait. Hold on. Hold on. Where's the? Hold on, guys.
That was the hole.
Where?
The one that you just came through.
That's not the keyhole.
Well, we're not going to the keyhole quite yet. We just going to get down here.
Trying to look. I'm not sure where
We
I.
went this way last year, so we went to the keyhole, it would be this way.
Why not up that way?
Whoa, I almost just fell. I'm calling Jacob. He looks like he knows what he's doing.
Guys, there's a hole this way. Go this way.
I want to follow Charlie. Jacob, we're not supposed to go anywhere.
I'm just looking.
Fine, then I'm just gonna look.
Am I not allowed to look?
I'm going with Charlie. I don't think it's this way. Jacob takes you.
What did you just hit me? Yes, you did.
Guys, there's a spot this way.
Holy crap.
There it is. But wait. Wait, Charlie, is this it? Is that the keyhole?
That's not,
We
but.
should wait.
Yo, wait.
No, let's go back.
Do you want
Wait,
Okay, guys, in here, on this shelf over here,
Let's go.
there's a lot of places that you can poke around in. There's holes that you can go explore.
I want to go explore.
One of them does loop around. One of them, if you get into a hole that starts to go up, don't go that way. Okay, because there's a drop off.
I'm going this way,
Charlie.
Alan, there's a hole right here, like in the wall, that leads to another room. Can we go there?
Okay, no, let's not go to the other room just yet, okay? I want to make sure I've got everybody
Watch
in
out.
here first before.
Connor, guys, move out of the way.
No, I'm
I'm
not.
gonna slide.
I can't.
Listen.
Put up.
Head.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You cannot slide down.
Wait, watch out, watch
Dylan,
out.
stop going this way.
Go that
We're
way.
not, guys, we don't know if we're going this way.
3,
We should be.
Two.
sliding down? Wee.
hold on, wait. Hold on.
Okay, if you want, guys want to go up there, the rabbit hole's the first hole on the left. If you go down further, and there's the keyhole.
Oh, we're going down the rabbit hole.
Wait,
I'm going down
You
the
want
rabbit
to-
hole.
you
I'm
can
going,
go
Charlie. Let's
through-
go down
Is
the
there
rabbit
anybody who
hole.
can go around the keyhole?
Rabbit hole. Charlie, rabbit hole.
What's the rabbit hole?
Right here. It's narrow and leads into another room. You going
Should we go to the rabbit hole?
Let's check out the rabbit hole.
We're gonna have to check out the rabbit hole, and then
I want to do the keyhole.
Same. Well, the keyhole makes it like I don't.
where is the rabbit hole?
I think it might be this one.
Is the keyhole super hard?
Yeah, it is. You gotta go up that way.
Oh, that's a dead end.
Well, are you guys meeting us in that room? I don't know.
Wait, Charlie, let's wait. Do we want to go in the rabbit hole?
Let's check back
This is
here.
the keyhole. That's the keyhole.
Yeah, I'm gonna go in the keyhole.
Well, does it get super narrow?
Hold on.
Wait, guys, wait. Is this the keyhole?
No, not yet.
I want to go explore the
Do you want
rabbit
to go in the rabbit hole?
In the rabbit hole.
The rabbit hole we did last year.
Well, they weren't in the rabbit hole last year. They weren't even here.
Seriously.
We went in the rabbit hole last year.
Yeah, but they want to explore in there.
I want to do the rabbit hole. I don't. I want to do the.
There's a tiny hole right here.
Bro, is that the keyhole?
I want to do the rabbit.
Wait, is that the keyhole or no? Jake, keyhole.
I said no multiple times.
I didn't hear you.
I've said
It's a keyhole.
Keep going then. Then just go. Charlie, you said don't go up the hill. You said don't go up the hill. Whoa. No, I'm kidding.
It's a dead end anyways.
Yeah, just stay there.
that's
Wait.
Look, no,
Right.
that's a dead
This
end.
might be a dead end.
Let's.
Going through the keyhole one at a time, okay?
Oh, I'm not going to. Well, I am. Where's the keyhole?
I'm not sure. There's 8.
Charlie, where's the keyhole?
I'm not sure.
Jacob, go. This is scary, kinda. Where's Jacob? I'm going Jacob. How narrow is it?
What movie were we gonna watch again?
What do you mean? Charlie, can you not?
About the descent.
We should have watched the descent before this.
Right, they're trapped. You kind of need to back up.
Like, there's nowhere to go.
You can always.
We can't go. They're dead ends. This is not the keyhole. This is we're trapped.
No, it could be
That's
this
the keyhole? That's a dead end. Who's up there? Who's up there? Hello?
Yeah.
Oh, that's Simon.
Or Alan.
How did he get up there? Does the keyhole exist? Alan, how'd you get up there?
Luke,
Where?
that is the bigger hole. if you
How'd you
want
get
to
up
try
there?
that.
Oh my god. Great.
What?
There's a bigger hole up here.
What?
We all passed by a bigger hole.
We all
Yeah, we
noticed
know.
it.
Where?
Somebody coming through?
Oh, is that the keyhole?
Yeah.
Guys,
I'm going through the keyhole second.
can I go first? I'm recording though.
I'm going second.
Can I?
Yeah, let Charlie go first. No, I'm recording.
Why can't I be first?
He's recording. Well.
And you don't know how to get through it. I'll teach you guys how to do it.
Yeah, thank
Why don't I go
you. My
first?
dad preventing me. I'm going third.
Should I take the GoPro out
Maybe.
and hold it?
Yeah, I would. You're probably gonna get knocked off by that like little.
You know what?
Connor, you good? What? You should have went first. Charlie. I'll go third. I'm going behind Charlie.
Can you get that off?
Get what off?
The GoPro. I'm gonna hold it.
I don't know how you take it off.
It slides off.
It slides off.
It's like
I don't. Yeah, I don't know how it's.
All right, now go to your right.
Which way does it slide?